Why you should invest. Investing has become increasingly important over the years, as the future of Social Security benefits becomes unknown. People want to ensure their futures, and they know that if they are depending on Social Security benefits, and in some cases retirement plans, that they may be in for a rude awakening. Then they no longer have the ability to earn a steady income. Investing is the answer to the unknowns of the future. You may have been saving money in a low-interest savings account over the years. Now, you want to see that money grow at a faster pace. Perhaps you've inherited money or realized some other type of windfall, and you need a way to make that money grow. Again, investing is the answer. Investing is also a way of attaining the things that you want, such as a new home, a college education for your children, or expensive toys. Of course, your financial goals will determine what type of investing you do. If you want or need to make a lot of money fast, you would be more interested in higher risk investing, which will give you a larger return in a shorter amount of time. If you are saving for something in the far-off future, such as retirement, you would want to make safer investments that grow over a longer period of time. The overall purpose in investing is to create wealth and security over a period of time. It is important to remember that you will not always be able to earn an income. You will eventually want to retire. You also cannot count on the Social Security system to do what you expect it to do. As we have seen with Henry, you also cannot necessarily depend on your company's retirement plan either. So, again, investing is the key to ensuring your own financial future, but you must make smart investments.